very good about it because I don't think people really understand what it means when you don't have hair and when you don't want to wear a wig.
Hello ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at one of my clients. She has alopecia and so we're going to be installing a lace wig unit on her. And so we started off with clean hair, and then I braided up the hair that she did have, and then we also going to go in and put a stocking cap on to help protect her hair and her scalp before we install this wig unit. You can see that it's a pretty standard installation. The same way you install basic wig units is how we're going to be installing her unit today. This can be classified as non-surgical hair replacement because we are replacing or placing a unit in place of where her hair used to be. But also with non-surgical hair replacement, you can do smaller sections of hair that may need to be replaced if you just have like a patch. But it falls under the category of non-surgical hair replacement because she does not have hair for a medical reason. So as you can see, once I got the stocking cap on, I pretty much just went and put a little bit of makeup just to help blend it, and then to her skin, and then I'm going back and cutting the excess stocking cap off, and you can see that it's pretty clean and seamless line between the stocking cap and her skin. So once that is on, we're gonna go in with adhesive. Now to hold the stocking cap down, as y'all seen a little bit earlier in the video, I did use Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and here I'm using the Bold Hold lace wig tape. And I also will be using Bold Hold, I want to say it's the Extreme Cream. I don't know. It's the pink Bold Hold. I think it's a sport one. But anyway, I'll put the link in the description below. I think this Bold Hold is called Bold Hold Active, y'all. I'm not sure. And I'm not sitting in front of it looking at it, so I don't know. But either way, I will definitely make sure I put the accurate description in the description box. So what I do when I put the Bold Hold adhesive on, I actually like to use my finger to like mash the adhesive down on the skin, because I feel like personally I just have a lot more control with my finger. And so you'll see me kind of go in and just use my finger and rub that in. With Bold Hold, you want to make sure it dries clear. As you can see, before I'm putting this wig on, you can't see any of the white because I made sure that it was clear when it dried. And so once it dries, go ahead and put the wig down, and you just want to tack it down onto your client's head. You don't want to pull and put tension on it, because at the end of the day, if you put tension on it when you're putting it down, that same tension is going to be pulling at her skin and at her face and at what hair she may have on the over her ear. So you just want to be mindful not to put tension, but just to lay that lace on that adhesive. And then so I'll go back in with my comb and just mash it down and just really like work that lace into that adhesive, which is going to give you a more clean look. And then for the tabs over the ears, they tend to not stick very well. Or to, I ain't gonna say not stick very well, but they will lift before anything else. If you've ever worn lace, or if you're thinking about wearing lace, that is usually a problem area for most people. So I do go back and put just another layer of adhesive there once I get the wig on, and let it again dry till it's clear, and then I'll push that down as well. All right, ladies, so this is our finished look, and I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it's super flattering on her. Um, Please, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put those in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. How you feel?
I feel very good about it because I don't think people really understand what it means when you don't have hair and when you don't want to wear a wig all the time, one of those you take off and put on. So this was great for me. I love it.
Good.
And it has made me feel real confident, having more confidence in myself.